his culturelle.
Now back to Boomerang.
Come on, Spike. Let's get going. Everything's almost packed, and I'm raring to go.
Roof, roof. I hate to go on this surf fishing trip, son. Actually, I hate to fish, but it's part of a good master and dog relationship. Understand? Now listen up, pussycat, and pay close attention. I'm gonna be gone for the afternoon. I want you to puppy sit my son while I'm gone. If everything is hunky-dory when I get back, I'll bring you a big, fat fish. If not, I'll use you for bait for my next trip. Come on, son. Give your daddy a big hug goodbye. What was that? Ah, that's better. So long, son.